Have you ever stopped to really look at a leaf? I mean, really look at it? Beyond its shape and color, there's a whole hidden world waiting to be discovered. A world of strange and beautiful micropatterns. Today, we're going to dive into that world, exploring the intricate details of a single leaf under the microscope. At first glance, a leaf might seem simple, a flat green expanse. But when magnified, the surface transforms. It's no longer just smooth, it becomes a landscape of tiny structures. The most prominent feature is often the veins. These aren't just lines, they are like rivers and highways, carrying water and nutrients throughout the leaf. They branch out in a complex network, creating a delicate framework that supports the entire structure. Now let's zoom in even further. We'll start to see the cells, the fundamental building blocks of the leaf. These cells aren't all uniform, they vary in shape and size, depending on their function. Some are tightly packed, forming the epidermis, the protective outer layer. Others are looser, containing chloroplasts, the tiny powerhouses where photosynthesis takes place. These chloroplasts are responsible for giving the leaf its green color, and under a microscope, they look like miniature green jewels. But the beauty doesn't stop there. Take a closer look at the surface of the leaf. You might notice tiny pores called stomata. These are like miniature mouths, allowing the leaf to breathe, taking in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. The stomata are often surrounded by specialized cells that control their opening and closing, regulating the flow of gases and water. The patterns we see are not random. They are the result of complex biological processes, the interplay of genetics, environment, and function. Each pattern serves a purpose, whether it's maximizing light absorption, efficiently transporting water, or protecting the leaf from damage. These microscopic details reveal the leaf's story, its adaptations, and its intricate relationship with the world. So the next time you see a leaf, take a moment to appreciate the beauty hidden within. It's a testament to the wonders of nature, a reminder that even the simplest things can be incredibly complex and fascinating. The next time you have the chance, I encourage you to look at a leaf under a microscope. You might just be surprised by what you discover.